SONRIS has a new interface, and we want to share the location of common queries users access, as well as functionality within SONRIS Data Portal. From sonris.com, select SONRIS Data Portal. One of the common queries users access is well information, be it wells by serial number, wells by operator, or wells by section, township, and range. To access those queries, select well information, then well information search. The available parameters display. As you can see, you can query by serial number, operator ID, operator name, field, section, township, range, or any combination of these parameters. We'll start with a simple search by field. Select the field, then execute. The results display below. From here, users can export the results to Excel. You can also change the display to display more rows or less in the pane. From here, if you select a well serial number, it will bring more detailed information regarding the well, similar to the well information query. This query is titled Well Profile. And just as before, the serial number is a link to document access. So all the well files are there. The well name is a link to some pertinent information regarding the well, just to have it in one area instead of the tabular format as in well profile. The operator ID links to the operator information. Field ID links to the black books. And again, pertinent information related to the well is associated. Down below are other details related to the well. Under surface coordinates, this link will yield the GIS map of the location of the well. And again, coordinates are over to the right. The bottom hole coordinates contains the measured depth of the well, as well as the bottom hole coordinates. LU association has all of the LU records associated with the well. And as before, the LU code links to the LU history records for that LU. And again, the LU code is the code used for oil and gas production reporting. History has the well history. So again, any changes in the well name or operator, status or product, scout information, the perforations of the well. And again, oil and gas production information is available here. As before, the LU code is a link to the wells associated with the LU. And an interesting feature is we can filter by status if there were multiple wells, or, this filters to just wells that have an active status 10. And we'll go back to see other options, work permits. So again, the well profile is a link from the well information search, but users can also use this filter to change the serial number. And then the records populate for this new well. Users can also turn off this filter, and the results will display all wells in the state, and users can query, again, by any parameter. So we'll go with Abbeville, our field, or we can start typing it in. Other functionality we have is this freeze pane. So right now, these 4 columns are frozen on the left. However, if we select the header, you can unfreeze. You can also hide rows. And if you hide a row or column, if you hide a column and want to bring it back, select Actions, Columns, Select, and it returns it. And again, if you want to freeze again, freeze. Another function that we are accustomed to is copying cells. This interface does not allow for a copy. However, if you select Actions, Selection, then Cell Selection, then you can, whatever cell you select, you can copy with Control-C and then paste elsewhere. Another common query users are accustomed to is the OGP. So we can clear this selection and we can start typing OGP. So that's the oil gas production report. Or you can toggle down to production audit to get to the results, get to the query. So this query has required parameters of report date. So key that in. And sticking with our Abbeville example, we'll query those records. This report displays all records associated with OGP as well as disposition. Users can filter or also add control breaks. So let's do a control break by operator ID. So now they're all grouped together by operator ID. And as before, we can change the number of rows per page. So we can also add sum to these columns. So if we wanted to do oil production, we can do a sum, oil production. And it'll display the results at the very end. If there are any questions regarding these changes, or if you are having issues trying to find a previous query, you can return to the SONRIS homepage, select feedback, and complete this form, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you for your time.